एक मिनट हाँ स्टार्ट
So hey everyone, this is Royal Abbas and I am assisted by Mrs. Sajid, and we are presenting on the topic of the impact of artificial intelligence in the 5G networks. So 5G wireless communication and mobile networks are facing many challenges nowadays to meet the unprecedented growing demands for access to wireless services with ultra low latency and high data rates. Nowadays, 5G network is the core technology of many cutting-edge technologies such as the IoT, the smart grid, and the unmanned UAV vehicle systems. So, 5G wireless networks are required to be characterized by high flexibility in design and resource management and allocation to meet the increasing demands of these heterogeneous networks and users. So now talking about the highlights which we are going to present. That includes the AI-based 5G wireless systems, the advantages of intelligent 5G devices, the challenges and future directions which are going to be opted for the artificial intelligence integration with the 5G networks, and how are we going to conclude this presentation. So starting off with the AI-based 5G wireless systems. So there are 7 systems, and it starts with the massive MIMO and beamforming. Massive MIMO is one feature of the 5G. Through the use of a vast number of antennas, 5G can focus the transmission and reception of signal power into ever smaller regions of space. However, several issues are related to this technology. Machine learning or the deep learning has been applied in massive MIMO to overcome these issues. For instance, let's take an accurate estimate of the channel with simple estimation methods, and a reasonable number of pilots is challenging in massive MIMO. The low complexity least squares or the LS estimator does not achieve satisfactory performance, while minimum mean square error or the MMSE channel estimation is very complex. So coming off to the automatic modulation and classification. Automatic modulation classification is a core technique in non-cooperative communication systems. Modulation recognition is one task, and that can help in classifying the modulation type of a received signal, which is a necessary step towards understanding and sensing the wireless environment. So the third system we are going to talk about is the channel coding. So a noticeable feature of the air interference of the 5G is the use of new channel coding techniques. The data channels use nowadays the LDPC codes, and the control channels use these polar codes. However, the use of these techniques have some limitations as well. For instance, polar codes can achieve excellent performance, but it takes several iterations to achieve this performance. And there is no way to predict how fast polar codes can reach this desired performance. So coming off to the next one, the intelligent radio resource and network management. Radio resources are scarce, and there is an increasing demand of wireless traffic. Intelligent wireless network management is the way forward to meet these increasing demands. Machine learning and deep learning can be a promising feature for resource allocation in these 5G network systems. Deep learning can be a good alternative for interference management, spectrum management, or multipath usage, and the link adaptation as well. So the fifth one is the energy efficiency maximization. So information and communication technology, or the ICT as we know, is responsible for at least 10% of the world's energy consumption, and it is based on the energy consumption of the network alongside the quality of service degradation and mode switching costs are those metrics in this kind of solutions that are presented nowadays. So machine learning and deep learning thus can help in building intelligent wireless networks that proactively predict the traffic and mobility of the users and delivers the services only when they are requested. Talking about the 5G splicing and caching, so these are the two prominent features of the 5G as they were in the previous networks as well. So the first one allows operators to deliver different service types over the one network infrastructure. The latter predicts the content that users may request for efficient usage of the storage of the base station. Thus, the 5G requires accurate predictions of the needed resources in a slice and the future content of the users. So talking about the cybersecurity that comes under the umbrella of artificial intelligence and 5G integration. So deep learning is used in cybersecurity and has been presented in many ways. For instance, the UAVs aided the 5G wireless communications with deep reinforcement learning against jamming attacks. So the relay UAVs are used to establish the communication of legitimate nodes. So to determine the optimal policy of the relay UAV, the methodology can be used between the base station and the legitimate users, but there can be several issues that need to be addressed to enable these anti-jamming methods. So taking it to Mr. Sajid, who will explain the advantages and the future directions which are needed to be opted for the integration of the networks.
Thank you so much, Sohail. So I'll discuss the impact of artificial in 5G, its advantages, challenges, and future of intelligent 5G devices. So basically, first of all, we will come to the advantages of using this technique. As we all know, the use of deep learning, basically deep learning is a part of artificial intelligence. So the use of deep learning to build intelligent 5G systems has many, like for instance, in signal processing, deep learning is capable of performing automatic feature extracting, which is a hard task to in wireless network engineering and often required human expertise. So deep learning can perform this task very highly accurately. An advantage is that deep learning models in some cases can achieve high performance accuracy and outperform traditional techniques. 5G wireless networks are expected to generate a huge amount of data at high data rates. Deep learning can enable 5G systems to take advantage of this to optimize the wireless network. So it's very beneficial when we use deep learning in our 5G systems. Now, what are the challenges we are facing when integrating AI in 5G? So basically, we have these five main reasons, like the reliability and speed trade-offs, the complexity, the structures complexity, the data collection and cleansing, and privacy and security. First of all, I'll discuss about the reliability and speed trade-off. So the reliability of this technique is far less than traditional techniques in wireless communication in solving some problem. For instance, deep learning can perform like deep learning can perform some problems instant like LS and MMSC in wireless channel estimated uh, in massive MIMOs, as Rohil has discussed about massive MIMOs, but also feed characterize these techniques. Deep learning interference may log the system response time. It is because not most wireless system have access to cloud. So basically, for to cope up this challenge, we need a cloud-based system so that our data should be on cloud, and we can enable easily 5G on that. The complex structures, like we have using deep learning, which is a part of AI. So in deep learning, there are lots of different algorithms, and these are very complex. While using that algorithms, so we have a limited capacity of memory, and we have computational capabilities issues. So to remove that, we also have to work on that. Next, we have a data collection and cleansing. Let's suppose while using AI, we have, let's suppose we collect data. So we need to collect and we need to clean that data. It is necessary to collect the data and build large comprehensive data sheets to train AI modules, and its task is not often easy to acquire because mobile services providers, for instance, can't release that data sheet which contain confidential information. So that type of also challenges we are facing. And next is privacy. Privacy is a very big issue while installing 5G in AI. So preserving the privacy of user in the privacy concern of mobile and services providers. So one of the main challenge in wireless AI is our privacy, because the user's privacy is not as much secure in it. So we need to secure their secure users privacy. So for that we need to use deep learning and algorithms which saves the privacy and saves the user. Next, the main purpose of is security. Security is a very big threat. The security of deep learning module itself is another challenge. As we have discussed, neural networks, we have uh, some attackers attack on that and gets data. So security is big threat. So how we can cope up this? So for that we need future directions. We discuss those future direction in order to ease the integrity of deep learning research efforts. So we need to accelerate the neural network algorithms and parallel computing algorithm, cloud computing we need to install. We need to use cloud computing. While using cloud computing, we have multiple VMs, virtual machines, where we can store data. And distribution deep learning systems are opportunity for 5G to build the intelligence in its system to deliver high throughput and ultimate low latency. For that, we need to have a cloud-based system, and we have parallel computation, and we have faster algorithms for deep learning. And at the end, so in this presentation, we presented all AI for 5G wireless communication system. So for studying several cases studies, including like we have discussed MIMO, cache, energy efficiency, and cyber security, like massive MIMOs. So efforts are still made to reduce the complexity of deep learning to implement sensitive networks and low devices to install 5G. We have to consider these points. So these are very alarming for the 5G installation. So it is also very, very crucial for our wireless systems. Thank you so much, Rohit.
Thank you so much.